Very good morning to all my dear kids and welcome back to our video. So this is the video I am making for class 4 and the video is for grammar, class 4 grammar. So class 4 today we will learn about kind of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences which we will learn in our this video. So see sentences. What is sentences? The group of word is called sentence. I have explained you this in my previous video. So in this grammar book you will have kinds of sentences. But before that kind of sentences you will have subjects and predicate which we will learn in our next video. So there are 4 kinds of sentences. Number 1 is declarative sentence, number 2 is interrogative sentence, number 3 is exclamative sentence, and number 4 is imperative sentence. So see what is declarative sentence? Declarative sentence is stand for saying something or to state something. Sentence that state something or say something are called declarative sentences. This declarative sentences end with a full stop. When we write a sentence, we end the sentences with a full stop. So sentence which is end with full stop is called a declarative sentence. So number 2 is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? See, sentence that ask questions are called interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence end with a question mark. In interrogative sentence like what is your name, in the last we will have a question mark. So this is the interrogative sentence. And see, declarative sentence. Declarative sentence, are you coming? What is Ankur doing? These two sentences are called interrogative sentence. And in declarative sentence is like I'm your teacher Ranju ma'am. I will put full stop at the end. So it means this is the declarative sentence. It means I am saying something, I am stating something. So which is having a full meaning in a one sentence is called declarative sentence. Okay. And exclamative sentence, no sorry, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is end with a question mark. Like what is your name? Where are you going? In which class you read? In all these sentences we put question mark. So this is called a exclamatory sentence. Now we'll come to the third sentences. Our third sentence is a imperative sentence. So what is imperative sentence? Sentences that give command or advice. Sentences which gives command or advice or make request are called imperative sentence. For example, when someone is talking too much and we have to command them, so we will say stop talking. It means you are commanding someone to stop talking, stop doing something, don't do this, don't do that. This is the word which we are giving is a imperative sentence. It means we are commanding someone or we want to command someone. So in other way also other thing we will make like request. Can you please give me my pen? This is also a command but in a request mode. So this is in this sentence you are requesting something to please lend me your pen. This is a request. And in other way we will use advice. If when we are giving advice to other person like if you will work hard you will get better marks. This is called a advice. These command, request and advice, all these things are coming in imperative sentence. All these commands are come in imperative sentence. So see, stop talking, this is command. Request, please lend me your pen, this is request. And number 3, if you will work hard you will get good marks, this is advice. So we'll come to our see In imperative sentence, something the subject is not state for example, you is coming in a bracket, and please take the dirty clothes outside. This all are coming in a imperative sentence. Okay, now we'll come on our exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence means that sentence that expresses strong feelings are called exclamatory sentence. Sentences that expresses strong feeling are called exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence end with an exclamation mark, like which I have explained you in our previous class also, like standing marks and little bit point below that. So this marks will called exclamatory sentence. Again, I am explaining you what is exclamatory sentence. See, sentence that express strong feelings are called exclamatory sentences. And exclamatory sentences end with an exclamation mark, like standing line and dot below the line. These all are called exclamation marks, like what a wonderful day today. Anita, you are doing very well. And how beautiful the rainbow looks. These all are sentences come at last the standing marks and a dot below it. It is called exclamation mark. So some of the students are asking me to, ma'am, please explain me in Hindi. So please, my dear student, just try to understand it in English, because I am not using a very hard kind of English. This is the very mild kind of language, so that everyone can easily understand. This is especially for Arpita to you. Okay, just try to understand it. So I have given school books. Books are available in the school also, and if you want to take books, just call that number, which is messages given by school to you, and you will just get the all books from there. So it is very easy for you to learn learn and write in your home safely. Okay, so after that I have to state that for class 4, that in our English first chapter, which is what's your dream, I have prepared some little bit of word meaning there also, which I will give you in that link. So just try to learn them, and just try to recall it, and just try to revise it and write it your home. Just revise all your grammars books. Don't waste your time by doing anything which is not important to you. Just concentrate, just give it 2 hour minimum 2 hour to your study, so you will get used to for study. Don't waste your time. Stay safe and stay healthy. Till then, stay tuned. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.